Hey guys, BMX Boys 98 here, and to kick off our new channel, we're going to do a couple of bike checks. So here we go. This is my cousin Hunter, and we're going to start with his bike.
Hey guys, this is my mongoose. It's an anti-mongoose. My mongoose frame. My tires.
Mongoose also.
Yeah. My bullet valves.
Stock mongoose cranks and pedals.
Yeah.
We got the mongoose grips, nice and grippy. They're kind of like the ODI long necks.
Front brake, back brake, and then I have pegs on one side because I usually
right side.
So yeah.
And then we got the mongoose stem, gyro, mongoose forks. Let's see. Altogether, the bike I'd say is probably about 30 pounds, but these are just our bikes until we get our new bikes. So that was my cousin Hunter's bike check. Alright, and we'll see you guys for another bike check later.